Hey everyone, so today I have Brandon here and I'm going to show you how to make your straight hair wavy. So just to see right now, this is a hairstyle that I've already done on Brandon's hair, but I'm going to redo it and show you that you can actually take straight hair and make it a little bit wavy or add more texture to it. So I'm going to spray down his hair just with some water because again, I've already done this on his hair and I wanted to show you kind of like what his hair afterwards looked like so you saw a finished look. So this is literally just water and I'm just spraying down his hair like this. There we go. So this is something like you can do fresh out of the shower, and you know, even if you have, and I'll show you a cool technique after, but even if you have dry hair, you can go back in and use it. I'm going to use 25 spray, 25 benefits in one bottle, four spritzes of 25 spray. I'm going to work that through like this just to get the hair evenly distributed throughout the scalp to the ends. Next, I'm going to be utilizing Tidal Wave, which is my #1 selling sea salt spray here, my #1 selling product. The unique thing about Tidal Wave is that, especially if you have it already, you're using it, you don't need a lot of sprays. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 spritzes of Tidal Wave, okay? And that's it. Let it settle on the hair. Now, how do you make the hair have that texture and that waviness? I'm going to be utilizing a brand new tool, even though I do have my own blow dryer, but this is designed specifically for wavy or curly hair. Look at this thing. And I'll have a link in the description below to my Amazon store where it is an affiliate link. It's not like I make a lot of money off these, but it's my Amazon link where you can actually purchase all this stuff. I discovered this maybe like a few months ago, and I wish I had known about this years ago. But this is it. It's basically a handheld diffuser. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on low for right now, and I'm going to scrunch and dry. Scrunch and dry. And what you're doing is this is creating the wave right here. You see when I let go, it has all that texture. So I'm scrunching it and then drying it. I'm also moving the dryer around like this. I'm not keeping it in one spot. So I'm scrunching and letting go. I'm going to put this on higher speed. All right, now you can see within literally like a minute, I was able to create this look. Let's just do a little side spin this way so we get a side profile. Look at all that texture and that volume we created just by scrunching and using that blow dryer, okay? A little more on this side here, turn this way, and there it is. You can see the hair is a lot more of a scrunchy texture and it's got more of that light wave to it. Now, one last thing I'm going to show you, which is a really cool trick. If you wanted to go in to use Tidal Wave on fully dry hair, you absolutely can, and this is why it's amazing for finer hair. Because of the fact that it binds to the hair and adds thickness. It makes the hair bind together. So I'm going to go in and spray 1, 2, 3 spritzes, that's it. Make sure you get it in the very, very front here, okay? Because that's the area a lot of times where people want that texture. So while the hair is dry, you're going to actually get even a more amazing result from this. And look, now there's even more texture to it. There we go. So you can utilize this on dry hair to freshen up the style. Now lastly, I'm going to use my locked hairspray. Locked hairspray is really amazing because it's a matte finish hairspray. So it's going to give you that light hold, that workability, and that matte finish. So I'm going to give it a nice little shake, and I'm going to spray it on Brandon's hair. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to scrunch and spray. And this is going to help just lock in that hairstyle, that kind of workability, and that light texture all together. So all together, we went from having very, very straight hair to creating a nice soft wave. So yes, you can achieve this. Let's just turn this way a little bit so we get a side view. Yep, we get all that texture in here. There it is. And then this side as well, keep turning all the way over, keep turning, and there we go. So you can achieve this look, that's good. You can achieve this look by utilizing all of these products. And if you're noticing, we're in a different type of setup. This is the area and this is the chair Brandon is sitting in where I used to see clients, where I would cut all my clients. So do you feel awesome sitting here?
I do.
Awesome, man. So if you want to use any of these products, you can click the link in the description to my Amazon store if you want to pick up the blow dryer. Everything else you can get on my shop at shop.thesalonguy.com, and you can use code YouTube20 for 20% off. That's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.